Welcome to the in front of me Infinix Hot 11, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings app and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just scroll a little bit down and here click to default notification sound. Now we got these 7 charts, and just to select the another sound, click once of each of these sounds. Also, we can set here the custom notification sound, but how to do that you should find the another video on our Hard Reset YouTube channel. And then just click here to OK, and now as can you see, we just successfully changed our notification sound on our Infinix Hot 11. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.